Hello and welcome everybody. So today and happy Ghostbusters Day 36th anniversary. I know, 35, 36. I trust everybody is isolated well and in a zone that's recovering from COVID-19. We're doing a single man video due to isolation and all of that, but everybody in British Columbia, congratulations for doing well with the quarantine. So, we are coming along nicely. So today we're going to do an unboxing video from something that I was able to pick up at Walmart while doing a restock. And please forgive the finger I kind of cut myself while working on a RoboCop project. I was stupid. Knife slipped. Whatever. So, yeah, I'm assuming this came out probably somewhere in the States last year. I don't know. It finally made it to Canadian Walmart. So, I found this in the electronics section. So, everybody else in the world probably already knows what this is. But, yeah, it's nice to do something today anyways. So, let's go off and let's do a single-hand unboxing. So, I already took off the plastic wrapping. And here we go. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? There we go. Ah! So here we are. We've got socks. Wow, it's like Christmas. Yeah. So not bad socks. Probably too small for me. I think I'm going to give these to my son. Mainly because he's outgrowing all of his socks and nice. So, and they got green heels. Green heels. So, one size fits most. Yes, that's exactly the kind of legal disclaimer that you need. All right, and what else? Next up, wow, a car air freshener. I always get self-conscious when somebody gives you an air freshener. It's like, gee, man, what are you trying to say? So, yeah, and it's like, oh, yeah, an ecto for your ecto. Because, yeah, now you got something that, for anybody that always points out that your ecto's not screen accurate. Yeah, like this is a constant reminder. It's nice. So, I can hang this next to my Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. All right, and next up, yay! This is going to take me 2 hands to get out. So, we have... No, say it isn't so. We've got another Slimer! Yeah, because as if we don't have enough Slimers. See, this is what I'm going to love about the new movie coming out, which was supposed to be this year. I can already wait. Finally, with the new Ghost Chomper, we can have another mascot so that all the merchandise isn't always a pop-up between either Slimer or Stay Puft. So I don't know if Chomper's going to be good, but he's at least looking good. So it's going to be great to finally get more merchandise out there of different ghosts. I mean, the cabbie is nice. The librarian is always nice. So, and, ooh, what I really like, look at this sculpt. It's not your standard typical Slimer with his mouth open. He's actually got a good pose in there. This is going to look really nice on our booth. I'm going to have to grab another knife later and cut this open. The packaging, not my finger. So, yeah, that's actually got some heart to it. Whoever sculpted this really put some care and attention into it. They got some good emotion in there. All right, next up, coasters for people with drinking issues. Yeah, it's sealed, so we're going to grab a knife and we're going to open these up and see what the coasters are like. And then, ooh, the specialty Stay Puft Mini Planter. I'm assuming that's because I'm the gardening type. All right. So, quick pause. Let's get this open with a knife. I like knives. Okay, here we are. The knifey knife has just cut all of these open. Let's start with our alcoholism encouragement package. The coasters. Ooh, nice little wooden coasters. We've got Ray. Winston, Egon, and Vinkman. And if we don't have drinking issues, we can probably glue all of these together and make a nice little picture. And it'll be like 60s retro. Yay! Wall art! So that'll be nice. It's actually kind of cool. I think I've seen this somewhere before. I forget. There's probably some artist that did it. I can't see it on the back. All right. Next one. Next one. Ooh. Shall I open this special surprise? The Stay Puft Knee Planter? The Slimer. Let's go Slimer. Because I think that one is different in everybody's box, so other people might get different things. I think this one is the same in everybody's box. Ooh, really pretty. At our next fundraiser booth, we're probably going to have this on display. Although we already have bigger Slimers, but I don't know. We'll see. Nice paint, really glossy, good highlights. You know, I'm normally tired of all of the Slimer merch because we've seen so much of it, like 3,000 and now 1 different Slimers. But this one is actually really well done. It's nice. Nice. And he puddled his slime. It's good. Oh, logo's on the bottom. Oh, okay. Socks on the floor. Where they should be. Okay, now for the last. Wow, I'm really good at doing things with one hand. I wonder how many grown-ups got that reference. Ooh, ooh. Is that a planter or a cup? It could go either way. Oh, no, no, no. If it was a cup, it would be like, it would help you with your drinking problems. So, arrows. Yay. For gardening during the apocalypse. So sweet. So sweet. Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're secretly growing. But yeah, okay. That looks good. Or you could probably use this to hold all of your knives. Now, so yeah, this I found in Walmart just like yesterday. And we have another bonus. We found this in Canadian Toys R Us last week. Ah, it's the ghost whistle. I don't know why. Do children these days even play with whistles? I thought they were all like Game Boys and PSPs and stuff like that. So, oh, the most inappropriate jokes I can make with this. It's long, it's phallic, and you put it around your lips, or inside your lips. Also, you can make the ghost slime. Yes. Let's see if we can get this to make 2020's most parentally demanded recalled toy items. Nah, we probably shouldn't do that. For those that want to know what it is, I mean, or what it looks like, it comes with a nice little handle right here. If you bring out your utility belt, you can easily hook it all up. So yay! It's just something that you can dangle there, and then stick your lips around this. I don't think it actually whistles, but nah. And one of the best parts is it's a nice phallic thing that's electronic. So that's always fun, and it's got variable settings. So I'm probably going to be painting mine up to make it look more technical, give it a coat of silver, gunmetal, or whatever. And I don't think it needs caution striping. Too many GB things have caution striping, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. I don't know what it's going to look like in the new movie, but now as for... more things dropped to the floor. As for this one, so we've had to cancel a couple of our fundraisers already this year because of the virus, the pandemic, which is sad because they weren't even for zombies. Well, maybe the zombies are a phase too. So, but either way, when we get one of our next upcoming fundraisers, charities, events on started, we're going to be able to give away this stuff. Our first thing of merchandise. So maybe if we can get some of the more merch in, we'll be able to give some of it away. But oh yeah, I forgot, we also got some new pins in that I didn't bring out for this video. So yay, we've got new pins. Thank you to Ghost Corp for sending them. So all the little kids, will be able to give them some nice little cadet pins. So yeah. But yeah, this one, the cadet pins we'll be giving away for free. This one, we might do a draw for people that donate a certain amount. We'll figure it out later. But yeah, and we'll see if we can get more merch. It all depends on what's distributed. But yeah, thanks everybody. This is what we've got for today. So happy Ghostbusters Day.